But I got a big ticker that I want to talk about now. Nvidia, it's down about 4% in the pre-market, and that's after the company gave a weaker than expected forecast for the second quarter, and this despite an earnings beat from the chip maker. And let's go, well, we'll take a look at that for a second, then we'll do some charting. I do have some analyst commentary, some hot takes. Here's Bloomberg. They're saying Nvidia's GPU servers and chip use continues to expand in data centers for training and inference workloads. The company expects supply shortages to ease through the second half on networking side, which along with the launch of its CPU chip could further expand its share in data centers. And just looking at the stock here, this stock has been cut in half. I'm going to show everybody what's happened. It's off 51% from its 52-week high, and that would be its record high as well. And high beta stocks, they go up quickly and they come down hard sometimes. Let's take a look at, here's 2 years, and you can see really been just cut in half and at the lower end now of its trading range over long periods of time.
Yeah, I should say the stock was down a lot more after the earnings came out last night and after that forecast came out, so it has recovered quite a bit from the lows there. The shortfall in the forecast seems to primarily be from two sources: China and the supply shutdown, the supply slowdown, and Russia as well, because of the gaming demand in particular coming from Russia. The company said that costed $500 million worth of sales in the current quarter. So that's what the shortfall is going on, what is going on here. And there is some analyst debate here about the outlook for gaming, which they say some were reassured by this outlook, saying that this kind of clears the decks and prepares them for the introduction of their next gaming chip that's coming in the second half of the year, and that should be a strong product for them. But there are still some sort of macroeconomic concerns about the gaming outlook. Remember, Nvidia had primarily been a gaming chip maker and then sort of reinvented itself.
Crypto too.
Yes, and crypto is part of that, but now is big in data center, it's big in AI, it's big in automotive, which was actually a weak spot in the quarter.
Yeah,
where
they just got poached too
10%.
by Luminar.
Yes, exactly. So, you know, sort of a mixed picture, I think, and the company's also saying it's going to slow the pace of hiring. In the current quarter.
One more comment. I was breaking the earnings down yesterday evening, actually. We had a guest on afterwards, an analyst who made the comment that they are a serial under-guider. In other words, they guide low and are pretty conservative on purpose, and so maybe they're just setting themselves up for a beat farther down the road.
Could be.
Third quarter, fourth quarter, but
could be.
Second quarter is right now.
Yes,
so we got to wait a little bit.
Yes, we do.